No, you have to stop this.
I'll jump out them girl belly button.
Shelly Ann FRASER PRYCE. What make you do it, in girl? What make you do it? Now today in this video, I'm actually going to take you through the comments what people are saying about the recent race, parent race with Shelly Ann FRASER PRYCE at her son's school. Take a look at the video if you didn't see it before. See, the question that a lot of people ask is, isn't she a parent? Doesn't she have the right to run in the parent race? Before we go any further, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the post notification bell. But let me ask you a question. If you were a parent, would you want to run in that race with Shelly? Comment below and let me know. And before we even start to go through what other people are saying, what do you say? What is your view on this? Tell me. Let me know. What are your views? Do you think Shelly should have run? Anything where you think, put it in the comment.
They run hard.
No, you have to stop this.
I'll jump out them girl belly button.
Alright, so the first comment will catch my eye come from Zinidel, and him say, so how we have Olympic runners and sports day? Game gone left? Why? Comment below, guys. Let me know what you think about that. Olympic runner or no Olympic runner? She's a parent, Zion's mother. Me want you to comment and tell me if it matter whether or not she an Olympic runner. So Mike Jones said, warming up for school, 100 meters. So wonder if Shelly they use the game here. You see, remember now when I said she gonna run her last set of races. So wonder if she just has to listen to me. Me now waste no time. Me no care who me I go run against. Me just I go run. What is this funny? You see her really a warm up. Yes, Shelly. One Shelly. Alright, so me I go through the comment then. It's giving Princess Diana at Prince Harry's Sports Day. And that one is coming from Skipper. Alright, so the next one said the other parents should get medals of bravery for even participating. Oh God. See? This is what I want in the Olympics. One athlete versus regular Joe Smo. Haha. That way we can truly appreciate how athletic they are. Yes, sir. I don't know if she had to give 100% for this, and that is Kita saying that. Alright, so this other person said, this is why I quit sports day. Too many sweat. Alright. She was so fast, she has already won next year's race. That one comes from Jack. Boy, what happened to skill-based matchmaking? Amelie says, incredible to see Shelly Ann FRASER PRYCE bringing her Olympic sprint to her son's sport day. Truly inspiring. Alright. This one is Randy. Now Randy said, depending on the age, that kid is either the proudest kid in the world or so embarrassed they want to hide. When the thing says, Zion would have feel embarrassed. Speak the truth. How you think Zion feel? What is he feeling at this moment? And I feel like my mother are the biggest and the best runner in the world. Or is he saying, Lord, mommy, you show off, you shouldn't do it? Comment below and tell me, what wanna think Zion really they say. Her warm up my top speed. And that one is coming from Roger. Curl say, what the hell? What the Shelly Ann FRASER? Oh, Jesus. Then Shelly reach for 1 second and the rest run for 10 minutes. All arguing about her taking it too seriously should take the fact ITV is misreporting this ain't 100 meter. Those other parents were set up. That come from Ellie. And Jerk Jake said, this is why I stopped racing. Too many sweat. I wouldn't even make my mom compete. That is what Princess said. And she was probably holding back too. Dove said that. Nah, she's got to win it though. Imagine if a gold medalist got beat by some random. She could have gone faster as well. Right, so some people, you see, different. But Shelly, what make you do it? Comment under my thing and tell me what make you do it. What's the mindset behind somebody like Shelly Ann FRASER PRYCE? Going and warming up and running like hell. Don't care who you run with. She couldn't track and win, you know. She couldn't track and win. The enemy DPs in my quick play game, whatever that mean. Hear this person now. Nope, that's cheating. Unfair advantage. What you mean? How is being physically fit an illegal move in a physical activity? My favorite female runner of all time. Of course, Miss Shelly, we love you. Everybody knows that we love you. But we still ask what make you do it. I gotta make my son proud moment. Well, probably that's what Shelly was saying. You know, probably she has said, boy, I have to make my son proud. Because let me think now. If it was me and I had a son and it's a race, I don't care if me an Olympic runner or not. I represent for my son house and make him get the points. Comment below, man. Talk up to me. Alright. So may I go on some more comment. Say, well done to those other parents that did it for the kid, knowing they ain't got a chance. That is so sweet. Would have been better if she had to start further back, taking it way too serious. This is why I quit sports day. Too many sweat. People, Tappy. Oh yes, she had to take things personal. What if someone on the track had a better record than her, especially when her kid knows that she's the favorite to win the race? She can't let her baby down. Hell no. If it's true, like suppose one of the parents just went pull out something where she don't know, she have to give it her full 100. Full 100. Cause what an embarrassment it would be, like big and seriously, if Shelly Ann FRASER PRYCE line up to run the parent race. And when she line up to run the parent race, guess what happened? One parent go run left her. No sir. She said, me not take no chance. She had to represent for her son. That's why I gave up running. 2 minutes. Alright. But guess what? She could have been teaching her son a lesson that if you're a winner, you're a winner. Separate yourself from the pack. Don't ever compromise and don't act like who you really are. You know what I mean? So she's teaching him a valuable lesson. Why should I not? Why should I not be my full potential because others aren't on my level? I should always maximize my potential. Go Shelly. Alright. Could have just took part and been humble. Had nothing to prove. The fact that this is nowhere close to her top speed is the best part. That person is laughing. Yeah, think someone's dreams were unfulfilled. Well, this person said, as she should. Win the race, of course. Good for her putting on a show. World class at least. You see, she put on a show and all of us are enjoying it. How many times did you really and truly go and watch that video? Be honest, because me, I think I watched that video over 10 times. Every time I go, I just get another laugh. She did put on a show for us. Congratulations, Miss Shelly. But what make her do it? I get her like I would actually do my best. I don't care. Me is a mother. That's why she do it. Everyone else was running for second place. Can't even play quick play without sweat. She probably running at half her speed too. Alright, yeah, so that's why I don't go to my kids' sports day. Too many sweats. All of those people who don't want sweat, something wrong with you all. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Jamaican this, Jamaican that. You want to know or Jamaican chat? Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button, hit the post notification bell, and of course, see you in my next little video. Love you guys. Mwah.